I know it looks like a plain package, but this is a really big deal. Christmas presents for two kids, eager for Lucas the Spider. This is an unbagging. Let me show you what this little guy's like. First of all, he is just over 5 inches wide and 7 inches long, or 16 centimeters and 13 centimeters. How much does a Lucas the Spider weigh, you might ask? Lucas comes in at 85 grams or 3 ounces. I've been waiting months for these things, and I was hoping they would come in by Christmas, and they did. All right, I'm going to take it out of the bag. I'm probably going to... Oh, good. It's sealed, but I can reseal it, so they'll never know. All right. There he is. He is incredibly soft. So is he, but I'm just going to do this one. He's got little mandibles here. Oh, tell me that's... Okay, just a little bit of fuzz. No worries. He's got big eyeballs like he does. There's a little tag here. This is the first edition. Lucas the Spider only was available for 2 weeks. Here's the tag. So he's got little jaws, brilliant little eyes, little mandibles, and then 8 legs. He's got the little Lucas the Spider. It's embroidered. It's very nice. Lucas the Spider, in case you didn't notice that this was Lucas the Spider. Okay, and supposedly he makes noises.
Hi, my name's Lucas.
Okay, that's one.
I have too many eyeballs.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eyeballs. If you see me, please don't squish me. I have no idea what that was.
Hi, my name's Lucas.
Okay, hi, my name's Lucas.
I have too many eyeballs.
Yes, you have too many eyeballs. If you see me, please don't squish me. Oh gosh, I cannot understand what that last one is.
Hi, my name's Lucas.
Hey Lucas, how you doing?
I have too many eyeballs.
Yes, you do. All right, let's try to listen to the last one. If you know what that last sound is, tell me in the comments below, please, so I can tell my kids what it is, because I have no idea what it means. Let's go a little closer.
Hi, my name's Lucas.
I know your name's Lucas.
I have too many eyeballs.
We've established that fact already. All right, I promise I won't squish you. Oh my gosh, I hope it's nothing satanic. Anyway, there you go. Lucas the Spider. He's pretty cool. He's incredibly soft. Weighs in at 3 ounces. Came just a simple jet bag. And like I said, I got 2. So they came together. Hanging out together. A pair of Lucases. And boy, are these going to make 2 little kids very happy. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more builds, unboxing, unbagging, coming soon.